Hello and welcome to Lightroom Tips with Kelly Toohey from 3 Sweet Peas, photography education for moms. Today I'm going to show you how to customize Lightroom a little bit and by creating your own identity plate. So your standard version of Lightroom will come with this little plate right here that says Adobe Photoshop Lightroom 4, and it can be customized to show your name or the name of your photography business if you have one, what have you. So it's very simple to do. You come up to Lightroom and there's a menu that's called, or a menu item that's called Identity Plate Setup, and you click on it. This by default is turned off and I am going to turn it on. Done. So this is what I use sometimes when I'm posting pictures on Facebook or to my personal blog. It is one of the options that you can use, which is just styled text. And you choose from your installed fonts over here, and then you have the option of setting your font size, your font weight, and your color. You can also use a graphical identity plate, and I don't have one set up, so I will just show you how that's done. You go to Locate Files, and I have one saved to my desktop. Now I've used a ping file because I wanted the transparent background. The key with using a graphical identity plate is that you can't have it more than 57 pixels high when you create it, so it cannot be high resolution. That if it's any bigger than that, it will run off the page and you won't see it. So this logo is 57 pixels high by 300 pixels wide, and it works just fine. Now this isn't a fancy logo by any means, it's actually just some text, and I could have used a styled text identity plate. Would have been totally fine. And that's exactly how you can set up and put your logo or your personal name inside Lightroom. The second thing you can do in the identity plate editor is to actually customize the look of Lightroom a little bit more by changing the font over here. So if I wanted to match this 3 Sweet Peas font, I could do it and it would automatically change it over here. And then I can also change the text size, which is, that's ridiculous. I'll just change it back. And then you can also change what color you want the currently selected one to be, and let's say the ones you want the non-selected module titles to be. And there you go. Click OK, and now your Lightroom interface has been customized and styled to your liking. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please give this a thumbs up in YouTube. If you like this tip and you don't want to miss any more, head on over to 3sweetpeas.net to sign up for free updates. You'll also get a fantastic photography guide too. See you next week.